wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 9 best goose down comforters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the Blue Ridge Hotel Grand Naples features a baffle box construction that keeps its contents evenly distributed. Its 1-inch gusseted sidewall helps ensure a comfortable night's rest, while its double piping prevents the filler from sliding out. It comes with a 700 thread count cover and is good value for the price, but note that it must be dry cleaned. At number 8, the fill inside the globon solid white is processed using a proprietary technology that enhances its drying speed, thermal regulation, and odor resistance, as well as making it water repellent. It is light though, so this one is best for use during the warmer months. The feathers are sourced from the food industry and it's 1 inch thick. However, some find the large label unsightly. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the oversized, fluffy Eddie Bauer Luxury 370 is great for any bedroom that could use some extra warmth, and its baffle box design means it won't have any cold spots. It's made in the United States with a 700 fill power and durably stitched 14-inch squares. This one's conveniently machine washable and available in king and queen options, but it does make a noise if you toss and turn. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Goose Down Comforters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the downright logana is made of batiste cotton, which is known for its smoothness and boasts a lightweight build that's still warm and cozy. You'll sleep well knowing that the filler is responsibly sourced under cruelty-free conditions. It resists and repels mites and retains its feathers reliably. It undergoes rigorous quality testing. Moving up our list to number 5, the downlight European Luxury features a baffle box construction and stitching that extends all the way to the edges, both of which ensure its contents are evenly distributed throughout. If kept inside a cover, it shouldn't need frequent dry cleaning. It's a highly breathable choice with a handsome striped pattern. It's made in the USA. At number 4, the downright cascada is manufactured by hand in Brooklyn, New York, and its hypoallergenic filler is double washed and quadruple rinsed to ensure cleanliness. It's available in versions geared towards summer, winter, and all year use. It sports elegant satin piping and the filler is ethically sourced. It comes with a handy plastic storage case. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Hotel Collection ultraclean is made with a geometric jacquard exterior and a medium-weight design that's good for year-round comfort and warmth. You'll spend your nights free of itching and sneezing thanks to its hypoallergenic construction. The cotton shell is soft and smooth and the stitching holds up nicely. Handy loops attach it to a cover. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Goose Down Comforters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the sateen material of the Highland Feather Manufacturing White provides a lustrous sheen and is crafted with attractive satin cord piping around the edges. Although it is expensive, its 15-year warranty should instill confidence if you do decide to invest in it. It features an antimicrobial treatment and a Canadian hutterite fill. It's also sold in a super king size. And taking the top spot on our list, the Down Under Jasper hutterite comes from a 40-year-old manufacturer of bed covers and is certified by the Down Association of Canada for quality standards and ethical harvesting practices. It features a 100% cotton outer shell with a high thread count of 500. It boasts durable corner ties, a sturdy baffle box construction, and a generous fill weight of 30 ounces. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Goose Down Comforters, or simply click beneath this video.